And when we understand the way and the things of God, this is where we lift up songs, holiness unto God. Yeah. Gospel music, you know. And predominantly. We have even lost our identity. Preacher, you know. So you preacher, you know, whether it's a rock star or some, you know, reggae dance hall artist, or you can't tell the difference. Preacher, you are a portrait of Jesus Christ. Our gospel musicians have even lost their identity. As some will be free gospel musician and what most are not say. Not Gia Denny Tim not say. On I'm telling you. On shun a dress on the Aboriginal stages so great music Christ no nimno. The scripture, please. Holiness unto the Lord. Holiness, not this one. I am in the book of Imua, baby. I've quoted the scripture. You have it already. Please get it on the screen. And that's one. Holiness unto the Lord. And it's in the book of Zechariah. Put it on the screen for us. Holiness unto the Lord. Mr. Anna, you know the founders like James McKeown, Apostle Safo, MK Yabua, and Omuyi Kurunkromera, they know, free. I said, and I am a catcher of bass the phone. Himbo kuno e kutamo no samo femwa someone kenyeni. Same thing. We monso se kromkromera di ya fa near the aswa and kenyeni. I'm telling you. You know, we learned the song in Bolga by Nathaniel Bassey. Iba oh Iba. Ya tonyum no agodru baby na de bi samsa Iba no echire say. Nam se me no na te Ghana ham here echire. Yan go range that here. We googled Iba from the Igbo or Yoruba language, and then we found out that Iba is a deep reverence and honor unto God. Deep reverence and honor. How can we sing of his holiness and not honor him? How can we say, you came to church Sunday morning and went to the club on Friday night? Something is wrong, can't you see?